You gotta tell me how to run this thing.
The red handle, there you go.
I didn't like it.
They're parked over here, so I think have the trash step up.
I don't know.
It's over there. I thought about it, especially the speaking. Oops, I forgot what I was trying to should have filled it with rock to take up this. This place to water.
Shouldn't be a good shot of his face when he knocks the bucket over.
This is the way not to do it.
Doing okay so far.
He's out on the end of the tooth. It's gonna
Oh, he's doing what I did, isn't he?
get that last lap. You're supposed to brush the top of that. You gotta hit the whiskers. The orange whiskers. Without hitting the lap.
With anything.
I am going to hit it, aren't I?
You're through, just go on through now. Just keep touching it. Whoops.
Hey,
There you go. There you go.
you asked.
He needs all the help he can get.
Perfect! Okay! Did you get that?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, that was good.
I call dibs on the bucket.
Anybody else want to try it?
Is there another bucket? You don't take losing it very well, do you?